As a master trainer, one of the most common things I see is inconsistent squeegee techniques.
I'm Phil from Fast Films Training. Let's unroll for a closer look.
One of those techniques I see is a dry squeegee with no pressure. And all they're doing is like, there's just 2-3 fingers, just nice and light, back and forth, just like that. You know, as you can see here, it looks like it's down, but what I'll show you later with a heat gun, you're going to see a lot of bubbles start to appear. The other thing is, yes, they might put some pressure on their squeegee. So here's pressure, but yet what's happening here, if you can see the line, the squeegee line is like all over the place. So say if I come back here, I may miss a spot. And then all of a sudden that area there has not been tacked down. I could do it a little bit slower. So now I'll come back, just like that. So I've already left some bubbles right there, okay? The second thing is that they go back and forth, okay? Like this, and it's not even in a line, it's just they go back and forth this way, back and forth this way, okay? Now, let's take this heat gun there, which I've been saying it kind of represents the sun. And obviously the ones that we could see right here, bubbles starting to appear. Like look at this here. Now here's the one where there's no pressure in the squeegee at all. To eliminate this, you know, the first step I would do, and there's many things you can do, is I kind of use a slip solution. When I say a slip solution, I don't mean soap. I mean like a cleaning solution. And what I'll do is I'll just wet my buffer, okay? Now, the next thing I'm going to do is instead of doing a drag motion, which you are seeing me on the other side like this, okay? I'm going to do a plow motion, okay? The reason for the plow motion is you can see your squeegee lines. It's all about squeegeeing. If we have great squeegee lines and overlapping squeegee strokes, you're able to push down the film. The other thing is as I'm squeegeeing, okay, look how much pressure I get to push down with my middle thumb. It's actually my back 3 fingers lifting up on the squeegee with my thumb pressing down. What it's doing is it's delivering a smooth, consistent edge. Now, watch what happens when you use the drag motion. Your 3 fingers start to warp your squeegee. As you can see in the example, with the 2 squeegees, one was used with the drag motion, and then the other one, that's a brand new squeegee. So you can see how nice and straight that is. Coming back to this example here, I'm going to finish this off. As I heat the film up, this is representing the sun. And what I'm noticing here is no bubbles. Second thing, now this is more unorthodox. What I really like is one thing with the bottle is that you always have to put water on your buffer. This ghost glove, it's frictionless, meaning it slides really easily. So I use this for my squeegee. So what I'll do is turn it inside out, okay? I pause this for a short interruption. For clarity, while I was filming this, I used the ghost glove as a sleeve due to timing, but be aware that ghost glove, thanks to Tommy and Troy, offer the ready-to-use ghost sleeve with great slidability. Now back to the video. What it does is it gives me an area to put my squeegee underneath. Now, this is my buffer, okay? As now I slide, it does the exact same thing the IPA did, just like that. Now let's just throw some heat on there and see any bubbles. There's not even the little ones.
Hit follow or subscribe for more industry insights. To enroll in our courses, visit fastfilmsacademy.com/home.